All right, here we are, week 4. Let's go to the page for week 4. Close some of these tabs that are open. And here's week 4. And you're going to watch a video on atomic models with Tyler DeWitt. And there's a copy and paste assignment that goes along with that. Then there's a reading on pure substances and mixtures right here. And there's just a couple of questions you have to answer after that. We're going to review physical and chemical changes on the next assignment. And then again, just a couple of short questions to answer on that. Short video isotopes and what qualifies as an isotope, what has to change for there to be an isotope. And then there's some brief questions after that. Just 3 questions, actually. Only 3. All right. There we go. 3. Okay. And we're going to finish up with an example of bonding. So there's a example of a hydrogen bonding that's happening on a video. And on the same video, there's 3 questions. All you have to do is answer those questions. So have a great week. If you run into problems, contact me. And you've got my contact information right down here. Okay. Don't forget when you're going through the course options to go to materials, and that's where you find all the assignments for the week. This video is now over.